Phoebe, you want to sit on mama's lap? Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. I have to go to an engagement party later tonight, and the dress that I got did not fit, and I ordered it online. So I had to run to the mall and go get another dress. Thank God I found another dress. But while I was walking around the mall, I realized the Morphe store is now open. Diana, thank you so much for helping me. I'm gonna insert a clip right now. Guys, I'm here with Diana. We're at the Morphe store at Garden State Plaza. She made me spend a whole bunch of money. Not really, you didn't make me. I got you, girl, but you got she helped. Oh my god, I got like all new brushes. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. She's the best. Guys, come visit her. Yes, come visit me. I basically bought a bunch of new brushes because I really needed brushes, and I probably need to go back for more because I just want to start off fresh with new brushes. My brushes are really old and I feel like some of them are not really working right. This is random, but I also went to the Lush store because I had to repurchase. Hey, you want this? I had to repurchase some of my favorite products. This is a foot cream which makes your feet incredibly soft. Everyone needs this. And I also ran out of this, which is a cuticle butter, and I wear this once a day, every single day, and it also makes my manicure a lot better, and it makes my cuticles super soft. At the Morphe store, I'm finally trying their setting spray. I tested it at the store and I was blown away by how like fine the mist was, so I'm very excited for this. I got 3 lip liners and an eyeliner. They're all nude, shocker. And the lip liners, they said they can be used as eyeliners as well, which I thought was pretty cool. And then I just got a bunch of different brushes. So I'm not gonna go through each and every brush right now, but in the future, like when I'm doing tutorials and stuff, I'll show you guys. I'll let you know which ones I'm using from Morphe. Very, very excited. I'm probably gonna do my makeup tonight with them. I'm so excited that the store finally opened because I never really order from Morphe just because I like to see the stuff that I'm buying. So I've just never ordered from them, and now I have so many new products to try. The brushes are super inexpensive, so if you're trying to like start your makeup kit or you just need new brushes, I recommend these because I do have some from Morphe and I really, really like them. Like, guys, we're here for Bruno's engagement party.
Hi guys. Oh my god.
Look at that.
Bling bling.
Look at that. Ooh, damn, girl.
You're slaying out here. What up, though?
You need to see the side. You need to see the side. You know what side I'm talking about.
I came out here feeling good.
So I've known Joey and Bruni since high school. Literally, they've been dating since high school, and it's just so cool to be at your engagement party now after all these years.
Wedding is gonna be lit.
What? This tripod has been playing me lately. I'm gonna go meet my friends for brunch right now, and I'm so excited because I'm hungry and I miss them. But I need a new tripod solution. This is not working. It used to work so perfectly and now it's like very unstable. Whew, this AC is kicking in finally.
What up, though?
Hola, ¿qué tal? Aquí estamos en Bonfire.
Alright, take 2.
Hola, ¿qué tal, mi gente? Estamos aquí en Bonfire bebiéndonos una sangría, pero a lo más fino, súper espectacular. Y vamos a comer mofongos de Santo Domingo, directamente de Santo Domingo. Estos plátanos están...
Yes. Jenny. Hey guys, look how pretty she looks. You know, she looks nice. Yeah. This is Rolando.
New.
He's single, 22.
Taking applications.
Taking applications.
And Rolando, what do you do for a living?
Pilot.
Oh.
I got called lieutenant for the first time.
Tiene cuarto. Tiene cuarto.
You got money. Just ran into each other at brunch. Oh my god, look at this crazy dog. You getting your exercise in? Okay. Bam! Ayla's here with me. Max is always with me. We just got to Maryland a couple hours ago, actually. Oh, this lighting is bad. I gotta sit over here. Yeah, we got to Maryland a couple hours ago. We went to eat, we did groceries. And now we're exhausted. But I gotta get Lo to say this because I don't want Chris to hear me. So this morning I bought Chris the Apple Watch. And we're gonna surprise him now with it. This is his gift. Now? Yeah, I'm gonna tell him to come over here. So I'm gonna have him come over here so we can give him his gift. Alright. Alright, so this
What up though?
I got you something too.
Stop.
But I'm giving you your gift early because I want you to have it early so you can like enjoy it.
God, you're too much, babe.
Close your eyes.
She's up to
Close
no
your
good.
eyes. Close your eyes.
Close my eyes. Why?
Yes, close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Keep them closed.
I look at Max. Max is like, whoa.
Keep them closed, okay? Keep them closed.
Babe, you didn't really have to do this, honestly.
Open it.
Babe, come on. You don't have to get me this.
Look at his face.
I can't even believe it. Oh my God, an iWatch.
Sarcastic.
No, I'm being serious. I'm being serious.
He is being serious. I know he is being serious. He gets very excited.
Oh my God, this is insane. Oh, thank you so much, bro.
You're welcome.
I appreciate this.
Ayla and I, oh, what's up with my hair? Oh my God. Ayla and I just got to the Baltimore Aquarium, or the National Aquarium.
What does the ticket say?
Sorry, a lot of people. They have a lot of food around here. It's so pretty here. What the heck is up with my hair? I gotta wash my hair tonight. But oh my God, Ayla and I just touched jellyfish. Alright, I gotta wash my hands. That was the coolest experience ever. Like, I never thought I would actually be brave enough to touch jellyfish, but the ones that we touched, they can't harm you. What is that? They can't harm you, and you can only touch them like on their top. We're in the rainforest now, which is so cool. This way?
Yeah, I think it goes to the same place, so it's just not.
It is a new day. Ayla and I are at IKEA because I wanted to get like little dividers for one of my Alex drawers. So we found these, which let me show you guys how IKEA has it set up, if it's perfect. So I have 2 of these, and this is how the dividers fit. So I'm gonna store a lot of my makeup like that. Ayla's helping me. She's tired already. We just got here. Come on, girl. You need some caffeine?
Yeah.
Woke up a little while ago and I'm trying not to talk so loud because Ayla is still sleeping, but I'm gonna end this vlog because I want to edit it for today. So I want to just end it with showing you guys my beauty / filming room. It's not completely done, but I finally got it organized to a really good place where I can start working very, very soon. Thank God I had Ayla here because she helped me unpack everything and she helped me categorize everything. And now we've made some major progress. I hope you guys can hear me okay. So I think I'm gonna get 1 more of these, but I really like these because they're much wider instead of like the tall one. I do like the tall one. I might get some tall ones and put it in that closet, but I like how wide these are. And I might get a 3rd one for like new products that I have coming in. And then yesterday, as you guys saw, I went to IKEA and I bought these little dividers, which came in handy. This drawer has like liquid lips, glosses, lip liners. Like, it's just easier to have it organized. And if I ever have to take a bin out, I just take it out. We're not gonna do that. I also have products in Jersey, which I think I'm gonna leave there because I think it'll be easier to have products in both places since I'm going back and forth, and there's just no point in having everything in one place because I can't use everything anyways. So this drawer, we have some foundation, some primers, some concealers back there. Here we have some eyeshadow palettes. These are some brow pencils, mascaras, and 2 eye primers that I have to use. Here we have lashes. There's like a ton of lashes back there. We have some face setting sprays. We have some more powders and some highlights back there. This is kind of like my cleanser drawer. So we have a lot of cleansers, different kind of cleansers. Oh my god, I cannot wait to start using this. I was about to purchase like this exact one at Sephora, like the jade roller for the face, and Garnier ended up sending me one, so I can't wait to start using that. But these are kind of like cleansers. Oh my god, I'm excited to use these also, by the way. These are cleansing sticks by Bliss. Here is the mask drawer. So we have tons of masks all over the place, and then we have a crazy amount of face masks. So if you ever come over, we should do a mask because there's no way I'm gonna use all of these. Moving on to the next drawer, I have some like medicines on this side that have my info, so I won't show it, but this is like my little saging section. I want to sage the whole apartment probably today and after the weekend because I'm gonna have a ton of people over. These are empty. Yeah, these are empty. Haven't put anything in it yet. Then here is kind of like a body section. I have my self tanners, shaving cream, like brush cleansers. I have some perfumes and some beauty blenders and some more like body lotions. I might display my perfumes out. I haven't decided yet. Like I might put them out on this tray right here, or I might leave the brushes there. I don't know yet. Here we have some hair products. Like we have some hair styling tools. This little box has some of my jewelry. We have hair ties, hair clips. We got weave in there. And the last drawer has my hair styling tools, like my blow dryer, curling iron, brushes, all that good stuff. I haven't decided what I want to put on top of this because I might actually use this as my backdrop when I film my videos. I haven't decided yet. Like I just wanted to get everything organized because we have a lot of people coming over this weekend starting tonight, so I wanted to specifically clear this room because someone is going to be sleeping here and I wanted there to be enough space to put the airbed and everything. But yeah, I just wanted everything organized. Moving on to my vanity, I'm so happy that I can finally sit and get ready and do my makeup. This vanity mirror, I've had it for quite a while. It's from Impressions Vanity. This little holder thing I bought months ago and I finally unpacked it, and it's not supposed to be for palettes, but that's what I'm using it for. So here I'm just gonna store like the current palettes that I'm using to get ready, and then in here these are where I'm gonna keep like the current products that I'm using, like the current like foundations and things that I'm gonna be using like pretty much every day on my face and like skincare. And then whenever I wanna try different things, I'll just switch the products out, but this way it stays organized. These dividers I also found at IKEA yesterday and they fit perfectly. This lighting is washing me out. I don't know why, because the blinds are closed and my camera's acting up. It's having a lot of trouble focusing, but yeah, this is the progress that I've made in this room. I've also made a little bit of progress in the living room. It's starting to look really homey. So I'll show you guys that in the next vlog maybe, because it's just gonna be a crazy weekend. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.